Hey everybody, expat rebel Chris here. Welcome back to my channel. Yesterday was one of those really noisy days, so we left and went into Progreso, Yucatan, Mexico, which is nearby, for a nice breakfast at Crabster's, our favorite restaurant in Progreso. And while I was walking around the boardwalk area, I got a painted hat with a jaguar on it. So I'm wearing that today. When we got back, they had done quite a bit. Now here is the spa, the steam room. We figured out, I think I said in the last video, we thought maybe it was too small, but we laid on the couch in the distance and whatnot, and it seemed fine. So we told them to just go for it. So they stuck up the walls yesterday. We're having them leave the shower head in there. Just let me actually use that while in the steam room. We got the steam room steamer equipment, which they're going to install right out here. And so that looks on progress. And what they also did that was really noisy was they smoothed the outline of the rock. So they cut it like the day before, but then now they had beveled it, made it really smooth all the way around, which requires a lot of really noisy equipment to do that. But it looks really good. Almost everything's in place. I think maybe tomorrow, the person that's really specializes in stone is going to do the palm tree island for us because they say that's really hard to do with the same stone. This is Crema Maya. The bar area is looking pretty good. We have it, where it comes out a little bit. Well, it's a little bit more room, so we can stick trays, food and drinks here while we sit on our little cool bar stools right there. And so it looks pretty good. And they also really filled in this hole there. So apparently more plumbing to the pool house. This is the pool house. I showed you that they cocooned it this side only so far. And there's a roof. And it's looking pretty good. We were able to work around one of our palm trees and everything. But it's looking like a pretty good. They got the piping in now, and now they can install the actual pool pump equipment there. So looking pretty good. They did a lot of really noisy work. They told us they need another day, maybe only half a day of noisy work. And so we're going to play tomorrow by ear on exactly if we leave and go somewhere or not, or if we stay home. But today they're not here. So we're going to enjoy our palapa and get in the ocean as well when we take a rare day off from their schedule. And yeah, they've been dumping extra sand here, which we're going to have to spread out and we get rid of this sand. And there's some details we can do at the end. So if you like this video, make sure you hit like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. We'll have more videos like this. We're getting very close. They told us 2 weeks until the pool is done. Yay. And I can't wait to get into it. It's been 3 months of them working on a lot of different projects. We've had quite a few things going on. And so you got a comment, a positive comment, please leave that. Always encourage that. And if you got a question about doing a home renovation in Mexico, and of course, especially on the beach, leave a comment and I'll answer your questions regarding that. And hit the bell notification so you get notified of future videos. All right, that's it from here in Yucatan Beach Communities in Yucatan, Mexico. I will talk to you next time. Bye.